Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD New Zealand dollar US dollar for Monday, 20th September. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the chart of NZDUSD in front of us right now, and we can clearly see that previously market was in a huge uptrend. After that market went sideways, and right now market is going down. So what is the present trend of the market here? The present trend of the New Zealand dollar US dollar is definitely downtrend, which means that number of sellers are higher in comparison to the number of buyers. And as we all know, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. Or in simple words, if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So NZD USD is in downtrend right now. Therefore, we should mainly look for selling opportunities because we need to follow the trend of the market. We do not want to violate the first rule of the market. Okay, so we have the trend of the market right now. So the next important thing is area of value, or the best trading spot, or the best price in the market. In a downtrend market, the best trading spot or the best selling opportunity is always near the resistance. And in an uptrend market, the best buying spot or the best buying position is always near the support. And as we all know, NZD USD is in downtrend right now, so we need to find a resistance here, okay, to short the market. But if we just observe the chart of NZD USD, then we can see that we do not have any proper resistance here. Okay, we can consider this as a small resistance, small temporary resistance. And if we want to draw a trend line here, then it would be too far away. But what we can do is that we can switch to the chart of DXY US dollar here. And as we all know, US dollar and NZD USD is correlated. It means that whenever US dollar goes up, NZD goes down, and when US dollar goes down, NZD goes up. Previously US dollar was in downtrend, NZD USD was going up. Right now NZD USD is going down because US dollar is going up. Try to find the logic here. And if you have watched my previous videos, then I do not want to go in detail about the technicalities of the chart of DXY. Just keep in mind that looking at the present setup of US dollar, there is a good possibility of dollar retracing a little bit and going up from here on Monday, because market is very bullish. So in case market retraces and go up, then definitely we will see some heavy selling on the NZD USD chart again. So if you want to know more in detail about the US dollar, watch any of my previous videos that I have uploaded. You will get the detailed picture. So what should be a strategy for NZD USD right now? So what you can do is that on Monday, let the market open and just see how the price is reacting. Okay, you can short the market below this level. You can short the market below this level. If you see market, the selling pressure is still there in the market, then you can short the market below this level. 0.7030. You can be short the market below this level. I am not mentioning the levels because the whole setup is very much dependent on the chart of US dollar. Okay, so if you find NZD USD trading below this level, then you'll clearly understand that US dollar is still very strong. Okay, and on the other hand, if dollar starts retracing or goes for retracement on Monday, then NZD USD will be going up, but do not go for buy. Just keep in mind market is still in downtrend. Therefore, if you market also goes up from here, do not buy. Just wait for the perfect opportunity to short the market. In case you find NZD USD hitting this level, this small resistance here, then you can short the market. If it reverses, from this particular level, you can short the market. On the other hand, if you find the same selling pressure on the Monday again, on Monday if you find same thing, then you can short the market below this level. Ultimately, you will only need to short the market, and whatever you do, just try to follow the chart of DXY US dollar. Just see whenever you are shorting the market whether US dollar is going up or not. and when if you're buying, then just see whether US dollar is going down or not. That's it. Okay. So hopefully you've understood what you need to do. Short the market below here, and in case it goes up, you can short the market at this level here. Just make sure to use proper follow risk management and do not use more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday again, all the best.